today I'm going to make a video on how to make a fortune teller, actually starting with a rectangle paper. And it's actually easier than making a paper crane. I know that the last video I did was making a paper crane. So I think that if you didn't really have that much trouble with making a paper crane, you'll definitely be able to make this fortune teller. And it only has 2 steps. And before I start, if you like this video, could you click that like button and hit that subscribe button? And down below in the comments, could you tell me how you like this video? My rectangle piece of paper, it's not that big, but it's not a perfect square, so it's technically a rectangle. And so I'm just going to, there's a corner right here, and I'm going to fold it right at that corner so that that corner has like a point, like this. So I have that little triangle that you can see. And I forgot to mention that you're going to have to use scissors for this. But like right at the triangle where the intersection, I guess you could call it, is, you just cut right there. And then when you open it up, you got a square. With my square, and now as you can see there's a diagonal fold like right in the middle, and then you're gonna leave it like that, and you're gonna fold it the other way diagonally like that. Just make sure that like the corners touch. Just like that. And then after that, you're going to open it up, and there's like a center point right there where the lines intersect. And you're going to take a corner and fold it to that intersection, and do that with all the corners. And then you're just going to flip it over and do the same thing. Fold each corner to the center point. Like that. And then same on the other side. Like that. Is optional because it really is. You don't have to do it. This is kind of just turning it into the fortune teller. And so there are 4 compartments, and on each of them you can write a color. You can write your favorite color. You can write like pretty much whatever color you want. And you can just follow what I do, but it's really your choice. So I chose purple, green, orange, and blue because those were just the first colors that came to my mind. But down in the comments below, could you tell me which colors you chose? And after this, you're going to turn it over. And there are 8 compartments. On each of them, write a number. And again, it's your choice, whichever number you pick. I'm not going to push you into like a trap where you have to pick this number or anything like that. So I chose 1, 4, 9, 8, 7, 6, 2, and 3. Those are just the numbers that I picked. And this is actually my favorite part because you actually get to write the fortunes that people are going to get. So pull up one flap, and in that little triangle there, you can write either one fortune, or you can write you can write a line that goes like in half, and then you can write like one fortune on each side. And I'm gonna do one fortune on each side. And this is always hard for me because it's hard to figure out fortunes. But I guess I'll just have to do it. So my first fortune is you will work at Stanford. My second fortune is you will live in the dumpster. So I like to do like good and bad fortunes, so then like you get the best of both worlds, you know? And then after that, you're going to pick another flap to write fortunes in. You will become a vet. And, well, you will become a vet. It could be good or bad to other people, so might as well write something else that could be good or bad. Be a race car driver. Okay, and then pick another flap. This one, I'll write some like fantasy stuff. You will turn into a butterfly. That might make someone's day. You will be a termite. That might not make someone's day. And then this is my last flap that I have to do. Yeah, it's my last flap that I have to do. And I'll write some stuff that could like actually happen. You will be a millionaire. You will get a G-Wagon. There. And then after that, you're just gonna close it up like this into 4 compartments, and then open it up again, and in each of the squares put 1 finger in them. Like that, and then put your other thumb and pointer finger into it. Like that. And then you can pick it like this. You choose a color. Some people might not know how fortune colors work. You choose a color, and then the amount of letters in that word, you do the amount of like little paces, I guess you could call them. So if someone chose orange, you could do O-R-A-N-G-E. And then you're open to this part, and like there are options 9, 2, 3, and 8. Someone might choose 9, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the options are 6, 7, 4, and 1. And then somebody might choose 6, and the fortune for 6 is you will turn into a butterfly. So they'll turn into a butterfly, and they'll go flying everywhere. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, if you like this, could you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that bell so that you will get a notification every time I post a new video on pretty much anything. So remember to do that, and I really hope you like your fortune teller.